Guys, welcome to another SMC tutorial video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can check your on-chain activities on the Base chain. So in anticipation for the Base airdrop, that is, if there will be an airdrop, you need to confirm that your wallet's on-chain activity has a high percentage, right? And to do this, we'll be using a website called the OnChainScore.xyz. So this is important to note that it's not just swaps that gives you that high on-chain score. There are other activities, other interactions you need to do on the base chain to ensure that you have a high score. So let's head over to the browser of our choosing. In this case, I'm using the Mises browser. Input the URL link OnChainScore.xyz. Once you've inputted this URL link, you should have this page come up. Now it's asking, are you on chain? So connect your wallet or enter manually to find out. So I'll head over to my Mises browser extension and tap on the Rabi wallet. Okay, so I want to check if this wallet address is on chain. Okay, so I copied the address and I head back to the site, and then I tap on enter manually, and then you paste the wallet address. So these other fields here, you can paste a lot of wallet addresses as you wish. It will accumulate everything and show you the score. However, I want to check just one particular wallet to see the score of that wallet and see if there's anything I can do to boost the score of that wallet. So you tap on submit. Okay, so the on-chain score for this wallet is 58/100. And how was this determined? Okay, so based on transactions, I have 45 transactions on Ethereum and Base, activity 16 unique days, longest streak. So these are all the criterias, right? So you need to ensure that all of these criteria are checked. And another thing I need to let you guys know is your on-chain score is also going to be higher based on the activity on that wallet, like how long you've had that wallet. You probably have that wallet for like 2-3 years. Expect that your on-chain score will be higher. So this wallet has just been active for about 7 months. It's relatively new. So oldest wallets will have higher on-chain score from my research, and maybe newer ones won't have as high as the older wallets. So if you have older wallets, you can also use that wallet to ensure to boost the on-chain score of that. So if you see that some of your criteria has 000 on it, you need to then ensure you do interactions based on that criteria to boost it. So longest streak to date depends on how often you use the base chain, that is to either do swaps or to lend or to do other activities on the base chain. So token swaps performed means like probably your DGen, how many swaps you've performed, like you're swapping the Ethereum on base chain to different tokens like Brett or Tushi or other tokens, Airdrop and all of that. Then we have bridge interaction and transactions. So have you bridged from probably another chain like BNB chain or Ethereum, like main Ethereum to Base, or you bridged from BNB to Base, I think Bsc Chain to Base, or you bridged from other chains, Solana to Base and all of that. So that's what a bridge transaction means. Lend, borrow, stake transactions like DeFi protocols, what's going on to do some DeFi activities. Then ENS contract interaction, it says one here. So what this means is whether you have a base domain name, and in this case this wallet has, and it is chisom.base.e, and that's why we have one. The smart contract development, have you deployed smart contracts with this wallet? So in subsequent videos I'm going to be showing us how we can do from token swaps, bridge transactions. I'm going to show you how you can do all of these activities to boost your score. So ensure to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on that post notification bell for more educative content. Also, if you do find our tutorial videos helpful and valuable, do support us by buying our educational token WikiCat built on the Bsc Chain. The contract address will be in the description beneath. Thank you for watching, guys, and look forward to seeing the next videos on how you can perform different activities on the base chain. See you next time. Bye, guys.